Jamaica, an island in the sun.
Boy, from CPS and you guys don't know, say I scared of the SB broke up. You see me, I say, boom, no boom.
Look up, there. Forward life.
Back at it again, my viewers and subscribers. That is it. Mexican reggae singer Fabio wished to take last breath in Jamaica. Well, this Mexican reggae artist is a very well-known reggae artist, you know what I mean? Been to a lot of places in Jamaica like Tivoli, you know what I mean? And he link up with a lot of Jamaican legendary, even man like Bongo Herman, you know, as I can see on the screen. He took a picture with Bongo Herman, you know, somewhere in Jamaica. But he spotted in Jamaica playing football in the ghetto, you know what I mean, in the garrison. So, as that being said, and I quote, "We appreciate all the love that Jamaica gave Fabio," says artist father after his passing. So, that is it, you know what I mean? Pick up yourself, and my condolence goes out to Fabio family and friends, you know what I mean? And R.I.P. Fabio, you don't know, Jaliv.
Remember me tell you everybody welcome. This is my Mexican.
Viewers and subscribers, these are the kind of accidents that happen most of the time, you know what I mean? Because these taxi operators and bus drivers just play the other driver for get passenger and all them things, you know what I mean? And sometimes these are the things that cause accident. So people, just check it out. Look what really happened right here. As I can see, about 3 buses got collided. Watch.
Hey, dog. Watch it. Where, dog? Cross the road. Watch out. 3 bus take out pass. Watch it again, people. Watch it again. People, watch it. Watch it again. Come. Watch it again. I'm going to try to shoot. Who is that? What I shoot? What I shoot? What I shoot?
Not only that, people, a bike man actually hit down a woman on the road, and this is what really happened. The bike man not stopping. The bike man run upon the woman and knock down the woman upon the street and gone. Now the bike man is nowhere in sight. Police have to come and assist the lady, you know. So just watch and you see what carry on, people. Cha-cha. From what day me been a talk and I say, pedestrian, careful on the street out there. You know what I mean? Careful on the cross the road and all them something there. Cha-cha.
Accident happened downtown, the police and rich carrier down, bike man lick down a woman in the street. She not even a move. Clear thing, a bike man pick her up. The police have been up on the scene already, right along there, so she come. Not sure all the night and up, because they know nothing no do or what. Watch him on judge of Father God. Just happened downtown city, a bike man lick her over. Nobody can tell if she's a survivor. We hear about news later about it. Just happened, just now. Just now, me I go post it, just now.
From the other day, I've been giving out the warning about motorists on the road, you know what I mean? Taxi drivers, bus drivers, truck drivers, motorcycle operator. Come on, man. Y'all must do better. Every day no crash. Every other day, a vehicle meeting accident. and every other day a vehicle hit down somebody on the street. People, be careful. Keep your eyes open out there, you know what I mean? Yeah man, pedestrian, remember you know when your life gone, now come back. Look before you cross the road. You know what I mean? And most of the people, them spitefully hit down people with them vehicle. You know what I mean? Even the motorists, maybe all the woman person might try to grab cause I saw them thing there. Really, really running the street. Anyway, I have this man with part 5 of the topic, you know, about the woman is woman who left and I take the bus and I take the special seat in the bus. So, look what you have to say still.
Yes, people. Yes. Me go back in at the bus. Yes. Me go back in at the bus. You need to hear what I say. But some people are say, me I watch no man. You can't go and talk, you know, because if you in my position, you gotta do the same thing too. Or even worse. So yes, me go back in at the bus. Me go back at town again, sit down and wait for the bus. I mean, the third person step up my bus this time, but me not sit down my back seat this time, you know. Me sit down right behind the driver. This guy is as a Rasta man. Yes. Me put on a Rasta tam and draw it down over my face. I'm on a dark glasses and going. So when the bus almost reach a fair workplace stop now, me hold on my head so because me no want she recognize me. So I hold on my head, but me I look for me can see her shoes. Because I know the shoes that she wear this morning. So I hold on my head now, right behind the driver, I sit down. Me she come in and say, what me doctor? I'm big him up on him. I say, yes, baby. Yes, baby. So everybody on the bus, I mean between the driver and the doctor, them know what going on, you know. Me alone don't have a clue what going on, you know. Yes, baby. And she big up the doctor and come in, sit down on the same seat beside the driver. That means she right beside me now, you know. The first thing me hear the driver say to her, say, what happened to your Sunday? She says, it's a long story. So me hear you. So him say, he like him read her face expression like him say, what happened? Him suspect something? That a female argument him ask her, you know. Him suspect something? She said, yes, him a question me about bus driver. So what happened now? Him start to ask her, so what happened? What happened? She said, he might question me, say, me have to tell him, say, yeah, my uncle, you know. So, because I tell him, say, yeah, my uncle now, him want to come to church with me. So, me nobody come to church, you know. Me sit down there and listen, she tell him, say, why she never bother go to church, you know. Nobody go to church, you know, because he want to come to church with me, but he want to come follow me. Me nobody come, you know. And me go in the bathroom and they try to call you and me never get you. He must say, yes, me see the call, the missed call, I never want to call back because me know him there home. Then me hear she said to him, say, why? Him can't go on, you know, all him go on, it's just a matter of time, you know. No, this is my woman to talk to the next man as if me are the outside man, you know. She tell him, say, him can't go and do all of him doing it, just a matter of time. And she tell the man that about me, you know. I can't believe my woman sit down and talk about me right there, so. She said just a matter of time, you know. Him can't go and do him doing it, can't go and talk, you know. So when the bus reach, my bus stop now, if come off. Me, she get up and say, tomorrow me see you, but me no wanna come off for my stop, you know. Me heart a pump, you know. It a kill me, you know, people, me I tell you, you know. Me come off for the next bus stop up the road. And walk, come back. Come to my yard and see her. So I said to her, I said, not that me a bother you, know, but I the same bus you take again. She said, you come back with a bus argument. She said to me, say, you come back with a bus argument again. Me can't, me don't do that, you know. So me just ask if I the same bus you take again. Me just ask. She said, no, a different bus we take, you know. When she said that to me now, I say, right. Me start repeat the things them with them they attack the boss. I said to her, I say, what happened to your Sunday? Boy, it's a long story. She look on me like, what you say? I say, all him can go and talk, and it's just a matter of, I repeat back the same thing them way both of them they talk in the bus. She realized now, say, I must see death on the bus or me hear something. He start cuss. So I say, alright, listen me now. Just call somebody, you know. You call your uncle or call somebody, your mother or somebody, and just make them come help you pack up the things, you know. And call it a day, you know. Me see tears are running out of iron share. But me I say, people, me ask you, is this the right? Is this the, you think of the right way me deal with it? Or some man that deal with this a different way, you know. Black eye and all them things. But I know my style that, you know. I not beat up no man, I not fight no man, you know. I know my thing that, you know. I mean, I get no argument with no man over my woman. That if my woman never tell him yes, you know, it wouldn't reach this, you know. And the next thing again. Sometimes, why you can just buck up. It's when people are cheat. It always find a way if you come out in some way where you never see that coming, you know. You may have planned to go and I do this because I don't want my partner to find out, I do it that way. But it always find a little way somewhere where if you just reveal in some different way where you never planned for, you know. I just go meet my woman at the bus stop and look at me find myself, you know, that a new uncle.
But anyway, right now, I have this to say to the people. You see, Jamaica, we have a lot of artists that came out of the island, Jamaica. And everyone spread their wings globally, doing music. Most of them are on tour right now. Most of the giants, them, like Alkaline, Vibes Cartel, Beanie Man, and I don't know why we can't really, you know, live as one. But you want to go on now. A youth have a message, one of Vibes Cartel fans has a message for Beanie Man. But before me even play it, first, we need more unity. We need more youth like this youth right here. This youth right here, you heard the man say, him a Vibes Cartel fans. But he still came out and show his support to Beanie Man. So right now, my last word is that we need more unity in dancehall. We need more good vibes to keep flowing. Because right now, reggae and dancehall ought to take over the world globally.
Your people there, USB Arena, you see pray. And there Beanie Man show. There Beanie Man show as a Gaza fan. Vibes Carter said to support, Popcorn said support, Bounty Killer said support. So with there Beanie Man show, USB Arena, the people that are coming and will like it. Me and babes there. And I Beanie Man alone, me and girls them sugar too. That's why you love me. Best.
He's gonna get fucked up messing America.
Yeah, but with there people, measure them.
Thank you for watching my viewers and subscribers. And those who haven't subscribed as yet, subscribe. Press the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Like, share, leave a comment in the comment section. Bless upon yourself, my people. That is it.